Price versus well money flow much lower, trades in favor low with an 82% chance of a pump, just as we predicted yesterday as we tested this structure support, and typically this will result in moves up. However, as we test structure resistance here, we should see price versus well money flow, trades in favor high with a possible sell signal, which would be bearish again. How's it going, everyone? Today is November 14th, and Bitcoin has made some major moves over the last couple of days. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about yesterday's prediction where I thought we were going to rebound off of the structure support, what we're expecting now, and our price predictions from that point. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks for joining me in today's video. I think it's going to be a great one, and if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We're so excited to trade with you. If you head into the description of the video you're watching right now, scroll down here, click more, you're going to see we have an 80% off Black Friday sale going on with our indicators at the first link. You can join our now 89 win, 0 loss trade call strategy, daily crypto metrics, and our $1 million profit account challenge with our membership at the second link. And you can join our Telegram for free at the third link. Couple of announcements before we get started. I said 89 win. We're actually at 90 win, 0 losses as of today. If we head over to the trade setups and scroll down, we're going to view the performance record. Scroll all the way down. You can see all of our trade wins. We had 5 trades called out yesterday. One of them was Solana for an 8% possible profit, and we got that within 24 hours. Yesterday, we got a trade win in XRP for a 6% profit, and as the bull market continues, we're going to have higher and higher profit targets, so stay tuned for that. Do not miss out on all of these crazy trade setups. You can view the current trades on the trade setup page, and don't miss out on the future forecast video posted yesterday. We have a scary week ahead of us for Bitcoin, and here's what we're going to be doing. There's some crucial information. I'm going to go pretty in depth with my data today, but this video is going to give you crucial information that I can't quite cover. Don't miss out on that video. And with that, let's head into the Bitcoin metrics. We're going to go to the home page, scroll down to Bitcoin, click there. And the first metric we're going to take a look at is the emotional index. We are still sitting in excited territory, but we are dropping pretty quickly in price. This is typically what happens when you see an excited reading. This is where the price of Bitcoin is dropping. However, based on recent data, it's very possible as we drop into neutral, we're going to see an early move back to the upside. Typically, we wait until we drop into anxious, but based on the very bullish volatility in the market recently, I think it's very possible we will be looking at a move up and once we reach into neutral. Keep in mind there is still that chance of dropping into anxious first. Just keep a close eye and be sure before making any moves to look for confluence between metrics. Next up, let's take a look at the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. We still have fairly even volatility at this point, but if we see any sort of channel pattern, if this continues trading upwards but still within this small structure resistance and support, we are going to see the breakout detector drop. As soon as we drop below the breakout detector, this is typically where we're seeing big moves in the market. Over and over again, we're seeing crazy volatility. Be very careful as you trade and make sure before taking any trades you check the breakout detector. Next up, I want to show you what whales are doing in the market. Bitcoin whale smart money metric is showing still some short trade sentiment in the market, but it is diminishing as the price drops. What this tells me is that downward momentum is likely running out at this point, and we may be seeing structure support very, very soon. This is what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are doing right this second with the whale money flow relative to price chart. As expected and shown on the previous chart, we are seeing whale money flowing out of the market. As long as whale money is dropping, we should see the price of Bitcoin drop too. So keep that in mind. We are seeing a downtrend in whale money as we've seen an uptrend in price. So typically this will result in significant moves to the downside. I think we will see a little bit more continued bearish sentiment. And as we head down to the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels, the largest drop I think we're going to see is down to $31,862. But personally, I would consider that a catastrophic drop. I think any sort of drop happening right now is going to end before we reach that. And I'll show you my exact targets on the live charts. Next up, I want to talk to you about the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Now, as the price drops back to the downside, we're going to be looking for buy signals. Typically, when you see buy signals, this is where you're seeing moves back up in Bitcoin. So a buy signal as the price drops should indicate a move back to the upside again. Sell and strong sell signals have been invalidated recently, but that is because as the bull market continues, members, we need to see bear market signals invalidated. That's the only way the bull market can commence, and because of that, we are relying more heavily on those buy signals. Now, if you trade Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency at all, you need to be paying attention to what Bitcoin is doing, because where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the crypto market is likely to go too. These metrics are updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Members get access to Bitcoin metrics along with all 20 coins worth of metrics on our website. They're going to get access to our future forecast videos, trade setups, morning brew overview, inner circle live Zoom hangout coming up every single month, massive discounts on our indicators, and more. If you want to get access to these crazy benefits, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership's going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. It's going to be the full access for $59 a month, but keep in mind, this is a limited time special, so be sure to lock in your membership price. Now, price increases are coming. All those benefits and more crazy money-making benefits, just go and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I want to take you to the live charts. We're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. Now, yesterday I talked about how we were expecting a bounce from this structure support and a move back up to $37,000 before a possible break to the upside around $39,600. This is still in the cards. The price of Bitcoin did break below it quite a bit, but at this point we are testing much closer to that structure support again. At this point though, we do still see price versus well money flow high. It trades in favor high with a 77% chance of a drop, which typically will result in moves back to the downside. But keep in mind, from the top, it took only a little bit of a move down to see price versus well money flow drop as far as it did. As long as well money flow does continue moving out of the market, we can expect drops to continue, but I think it could be fairly short-lived. Now, the next structure support we need to pay attention to is around $35,000. This is the absolute bottom, and I want to let you know I am still expecting moves up to $39,600 soon. I think there is a potential move as long as well money continues moving out of the market for the price to drop to that level. At least on the 1-day time frame, we could be expecting that through the next couple of weeks. But I have to tell you, there is a ton of liquidity at this level. And if you want to learn more about this, be sure to snag a membership and watch that future forecast video. This is what I meant by Travis is going to go so much more in depth about what to expect. There is a lot holding the price up at this $35,000 level, even aside from whole numbers theory and major structure support. If we drop from there and bounce, we'll have to look at structure resistance once again at $37,000 before moving all the way up to $39,000. There's an equally high possibility that we just bounce off of this current structure resistance, test $37,000, and move up to that $39,000 again. Because if we head to the 4-hour time frame, you're going to notice price versus well money flow much lower, trades in favor low with an 82% chance of a pump, just as we predicted yesterday as we tested this structure support, and typically this will result in moves up. However, as we test structure resistance here, we should see price versus well money flow trades in favor high with a possible sell signal, which would be bearish again. What we need to see in order for an official breakout on the 4-hour is, as we test this resistance, we still need to see price versus well money flow and trades in favor low. If both of those are low as we test that structure resistance, that is very, very highly likely we're going to see a breakout to the upside. This is why it's important to pay attention to multiple time frames at this point. Now, there's one indicator that I'm going to be mainly relying on, and that's the TC top and bottom finder. If we see a drop to the structure support, and if at any point we see a buy signal on the 1-day time frame, that's where we're going to be looking for the next move up. Buy signals have been extremely reliable and are much more sensitive in the bull market, which it appears we have transitioned to. So I'm going to be relying on buy signals mainly on the 1-day time frame to call the shots. And in order to stay updated on those, I'm going to head over to the clock icon right here and click create alert. When I'm on Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, I'm going to switch it over to TC top and bottom finder. Pay attention to the buy signals once per buy close. I'm going to name this alert Bitcoin 1-day buy, click create. And what this is going to do, even if I'm away from my computer, if I have my phone on me, if I get a buy signal on the 1-day time frame, this alert is going to let me know so I can run over to my computer, make the trades that I need to, and get ready for the next run. Now there's one more alert. Click the plus sign again. TC top and bottom finder, and then we're going to select strong buy signal once per bar close and name it Bitcoin 1-day strong buy, click create, and now it's going to let me know regardless if we get a strong buy or a buy signal on the 1-day time frame, I will know immediately and can react accordingly. Now these indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators are what we use every single day to make our trades, and as of today we are 90 wins, 0 losses on our membership trade calls. This is because we're waiting for for trade signals to line up. Once we see price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and if we get a buy signal, especially around structure support, then and only then are we looking for those moves up. This has been highly successful. Then we just set an easy take profit with our risk management strategy, and it has not failed us yet in 2023. If you want to trade with us and snag these insane indicators that have helped us win those trades, if you want to follow along with us, be sure to take advantage of our Black Friday sale. It ends in just a couple of weeks. Time is running out. All you got to do is check the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the Black Friday sale is going to be the very first link. Click that, scroll down to the Pro Indicator Pack, and members are going to get a massive $250 off for our Black Friday sale. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one, so snag a membership, access the coupon code here and write it down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, throw in that coupon code and fill in your information. Click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a massive total discount of $650. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you for the next membership trades.